Hey there, it's Michael Hunter, co-founder of Spiffy. In this video, we're going to talk about Spiffy's core functionality, checkouts. Spiffy's designed to out-convert any other solution on the market because we've built Spiffy based off of the findings of tens of thousands of hours of third-party independent conversion research. We've done all the hard work. All you have to do is simply set up a checkout page and let tens of thousands of hours of conversion research go to work for you in your business. Spiffy will increase conversions and help you increase average order value with smart one-click upsells and downsells to maximize revenue through the buying experience. Now, you don't need to start there. You can simply start just by using a simple Spiffy checkout page and swapping that out in your business and see the magic of Spiffy. See how easy it is to use. You don't need to fiddle with custom code. You don't need to hire an expensive developer. We've made it easy for anyone to build a powerful and optimized checkout experience to maximize revenue for your business. So with that being said, let's jump in and see some of the top level features of checkouts so that you can get an understanding of how easy it is and the power behind Spiffy checkouts. Let's jump in. All right, here we are in the Spiffy Checkouts visual editor where you get to build your perfect checkout designed to not only be a great customer experience for your customers, making it easy for them to pay you, but also increasing conversions, putting more money in your pocket. Before we dive into some of the specific settings and functionality here at your fingertips, I want to show you a few examples of what Spiffy checkout pages look like, where you can see the hosted Spiffy checkout, you can see an embedded Spiffy checkout, and you can see some of our customer examples. So this checkout here that we're looking at, this is what it would look like live to a customer, where you can see we've added custom fields, we've added options that impact the price. We have a couple different subscription options, payment plans, checkbox add-on offers, and terms and conditions checkbox. We've added some content over here to reestablish the value of the offer, and we even have some urgency added to this checkout for a limited number of seats to our live event, for example. So you can auto expire a offer based off of quantity or a specific date and time so that you can automatically deactivate an offer for your promotion. Here's what a checkout looks like when you embed it. So you can have any landing page builder, whatever landing page builder you're using for your sales pages or your website, you can embed Spiffy right into that tool by using our embed code copy and paste. You can also use our pop-up embed where you have a buy now button on a sales page or on a product page on your website, where when you click that button, it automatically pops up a Spiffy checkout. You can also leverage a 2-column layout in your website builder where you can embed the Spiffy form on the left-hand side and use the right-hand side to drag and drop content to design and have more control over the look and feel of your checkout page. So again, you'd be using the functionality of your own page builder, of your website tool, a tool that you're already familiar with, and then just using Spiffy as the form embedded on that page to collect the payment and convert more sales. Here are a couple examples of some of our customers that have nice, clean, simple checkout pages that are performing very well. As you can see here, this checkout has a few options, collects the necessary information, and makes it really easy for people to buy. This checkout here is also using our custom URL feature, where you can actually get the Spiffy checkout, our hosted Spiffy checkout, on your own domain name. This is an advanced feature, but it's a great way to have fast loading pages and ensure that you're maximizing conversions. So with that being said, let's jump back to the editor and let's dive into some features here. As you can see here, everything is point and click, drag and drop. So if I wanted to add a new element or maybe add some text or some content or add other options, I can just hover over a section and create a new element or new block. Now, this example that we're showing you here, you most likely wouldn't have a checkout that has all of these options on a single checkout, but just for example purposes, wanted to highlight some of the settings. The most common feature used on checkouts is our automations. So when someone buys from this checkout, you want something to happen. They typically need to get access to some type of digital product. They need to be added to a fulfillment list for a physical product, or they need to get some type of welcome email. So under automations, you have the ability to set up actions in your integrated tools. So on a successful purchase, maybe you're using a tool like ActiveCampaign, HubSpot, or Keep, where you're either adding them to a specific list, adding them to a workflow, applying a tag, starting an automation, so on and so forth. You can select the tools that you're using and make it really easy to trigger that customer onboarding sequence. You can add multiple tags, for example, add to multiple lists. You can also trigger things in multiple systems. So if you want to add a tag in your CRM, fire a Zapier webhook over to a spreadsheet, set up another Zapier webhook to alert your team members via Slack that a new customer has purchased. You can do all of those things. In the editor, you also have the ability to set up automations based off of options selected at the checkout. So if someone buys a premium seat or a VIP seat in the Spiffy editor, when you're setting up options under the option settings, you can tie specific automations to specific things that people purchase. So depending on how people interact with their checkout, you can actually create a custom onboarding flow depending on what options they select in your checkout process. Super cool stuff. Also, you need to factor in if you have add-on offers or upsell offers. Usually that is another type of offer that needs a different set of access or welcome emails or things of that nature. So you can obviously tie integration actions and automations to add-on offers as well. The next most common feature in the Spiffy Checkouts editor is the design tab, where you have full control over all of the different colors on your checkout. In the header, you can add a logo and add some header text. And you can also add content over on the sidebar to reestablish the value of the offer, reestablish your guarantee, and reduce friction in the buying process. The next super powerful feature of checkouts is our flows editor. We actually have a separate demo video specifically for the flows editor because there's a lot to dive in there, but this is a extremely powerful and valuable aspect of Spiffy is our flow builder, where you can build dynamic one-click upsells and downsells to get the right offer in front of the right person at the right time. So you don't need to start with something this advanced, but you do have this power at your fingertips, which is super exciting. Under the settings tab, where you can enable or disable specific gateways on a individual checkout, you can set your metadata and your social share icons and images and set up custom tracking code. We also have direct integrations with Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, TikTok Pixel, and others, where you can set up your tracking at the account level and you don't need to add it to every single checkout. Over here under the offers tab, this is where you'll set up your different line items and pricing. You can see all of the different add-on offers and upsell offers that you've set up, and you can also set up discount codes that are activated on this checkout. Going back to the editor, in setting this checkout up, we added different elements to this checkout to make this possible. So we added sections to add options, subscriptions, and payment plans. The payment plan block was not showing there because it can only be added once. So payment plans, subscriptions, and options can all be easily added to a checkout. We have specific videos here in the demo to showcase payment plans and subscriptions. So if those are relevant to your business, definitely check out the videos specific to payment plans and subscriptions so we can cover that in depth. We also have the ability to do custom pricing inputs, where customers can type in an amount and it dynamically changes the price that they're charged. Spiffy is an extremely powerful tool that has a lot of flexibility so you can build your perfect checkout. I by no means am covering everything that there is to do or all the features here in this short video, but hopefully you got a good idea of what Spiffy checkouts are, what type of flexibility you have, and some of the core features that you can leverage for your business. As you can see, Spiffy is both simple and powerful, and you're just minutes away from implementing the best-in-class solution that will outconvert any other system on the market. In fact, we stand by that claim that we have a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee that Spiffy doesn't outconvert your existing system. Just simply ask for your money back, or for any reason. If you aren't happy with Spiffy as a solution, if it's not the right fit for your business, we're in business to help you make money. And if we're not the right tool for you, we'll help point you in the right direction, or at least give you your money back for giving us a try. So there's no risk in taking Spiffy for a test drive. Create an account today, schedule your onboarding call, have a conversation with us. We'll help you get up to speed quickly, get your first checkout set up, and so you can get up and on your way with testing out Spiffy in your business. Look forward to working with you. Create your account today. We'll talk soon.